Hello everyone. This is my makeshift whiteboard which I have made at home using basic things. Most of it I have picked it from Lulu. I'll just show you all those things, and at the same time please take a look at this board. It's like with a white chart paper that costed around 15 rupees. I picked that from Lulu, and I have taped this using clear tape, okay, all along. After that, on top of this, I have actually put a laminate. I'll show you the roll, the whatever is remaining from the roll that I have. Now this would need at least 1 meter of that laminate sheet. That also I picked up from Lulu. That's all that you would need, and you can write on this using a whiteboard marker, and it's easy to wipe it out also. I have a now this I can just wipe it off, and in case something that you have written doesn't come off, then you can even use alcohol rub. Please don't use your wet wipes because that has a little bit of oily content, so rather use alcohol rub, or even your the cleaner that you get along with your specs, that liquid. I'll show you the basic material I had used to create the makeshift whiteboard. For this, first you would need a thick white chart paper. You can even use light colored chart papers, but I personally feel that white is better. It brings out whatever you write in black a little more better. And you can use these whiteboard markers to write on this, but that is after you have put in the laminate sheet. I'll tell you about that. A few other things are a clear tape to fix this on your wall. I had even used glue tacks. The glue tacks I had applied, a little bit of it at the edges, and just stuck it to the wall just to secure it better. And this is the main thing. This is actually a roll of transparent lamination sheet. You get this in Lulu. This cost around 300 rupees for a 5-meter roll, and I had used about 1 meter or so for the whiteboard that I have created. I'll show you the whiteboard in a while. And this is what I use. It's an alcohol rub. This is what I use to clear the board after I have written something and left it on for 2 to 3 days, because then it doesn't come off very easily using your wet cloth or even the board rub. So this is good if at all there is some stains on it that needs to be removed, like ghost markings as you call. Or then this is also a solution. If you have one of these, you can spray this onto a tissue and just rub your board clean. Now this one here, it has got markings inside, so you can cut out the needed size after measuring it. And how you apply this is, at the end, if you can see, the plastic, the transparent film and the paper, they can be separated. And you have to do this very slowly, because it's like, you're peeling off that paper and sticking the clear part. So you have to start at one end and slowly finish up the larger area. And while you're doing it, you have to use your downward hand motions so that you can remove all the trapped bubbles inside it. This is a small leftover of that lamination sheet. I just wanted to show you how I can peel it off. It's like, if you can see, it's actually, the instructions are also given behind it very clearly how you can peel it off. See, you can pull it out from the edge, and then slowly, whatever wherever you want to stick it, please just start from the edge and work your ways downward. Okay, I just wanted to show you the instructions are clearly printed behind this lamination sheet as to how to use it. And like it said, you need to just cut it, and then you can start smoothing down, start from a corner. They have even shown pictures as to the steps to follow to fix this. This is a pretty good investment, and I feel it'll work well as a makeshift whiteboard.